Hi there, students. Elude. To elude as a verb. And I guess elusive as an adjective. Elusively. Okay, so if you elude something or somebody, you're not caught by them. So to elude, to escape capture. So the fox managed to elude the pack of dogs. The criminal eluded the police and managed to escape. Okay, so to escape from. Very often we use this more metaphorically, meaning that you can't remember something. So I know his face, but his name eludes me. I just can't remember it. It escapes my mind. It escapes my memory. Okay, so you just can't remember it. Yeah, to fail to remember. Or maybe something that the meaning of this word eluded me, although he explained it several times. Yeah. So I can't grasp it. I can't get the fact. Or an achievement can elude you. You fail to obtain it. So once again at the Olympics, the gold medal eluded him. Yeah, the elusive gold medal was beyond him once again. So if something's elusive, it avoids capture. It avoids understanding. You can't remember it. Also, something that's elusive is difficult to make precise. So, yeah, the exact definition of this word is very elusive. Yeah, or maybe a bird that's very elusive is very rarely seen. It's very difficult to see. Okay, so to elude, to avoid capture. Yeah, he managed to elude justice for 20 years, but eventually it caught up with him. Something can elude you. You fail to obtain it. So sleep eluded me, and I read my book all night long. Yeah. Once again, promotion has eluded him. It seems a very elusive proposition. Yeah. The exact name of this eludes me. I can't remember it. Yeah. Or yeah, the knack to get this right eludes me. Yeah, I always have problems with this key, and how to turn it in the lock eludes me. I've seen lots of other people do it. It frustrates me. It baffles me. Okay, so to elude, to dodge, to avoid, to evade. Yeah. Then to elude, to escape your understanding, or to something that you can't remember. Yeah, your name eludes me. Yeah, could you remind me of it? Yeah, or something that you don't manage to obtain. The championship eluded the team one more season. Yeah. The solution to this problem eludes me. I can't discover it. It's escaping my discovery. Yeah? It eludes me how people can enjoy this type of program. Okay, so to escape, to get away, to break loose, or to bewilder, to baffle, to mystify. The meaning of this explanation eludes me. Yeah, just can't understand it. Yeah, and then I guess he eluded his duties. He avoided doing them. Yeah, he eluded capture. Okay, so it baffled him. It was beyond him. Yeah, it confounded him. Yeah, sometimes when I'm making a video, the right word just eludes me. I just can't think of it. Yeah. Okay, and this is the idea of elude. I think you probably need to be careful of the word allude. And I've got a verb, I think elusive with an E, elusive with an I, and allusive with an A. Okay, so to allude means to hint at, to suggest or to refer to something indirectly. So he alluded to an incident that happened 20 years ago. But elude with an E, allude with an A. Yeah, they're very close though, I quite agree. So I hope the meaning of this word does not elude you, and I hope it doesn't elude your memory when you're in an exam trying to use it. So to elude, formality. I think I would give it a 6 in 10. Notice something eludes someone, it eludes me. I can't remember. Yeah, 6 in formality. I think use it anywhere. It's a little bit formal and a little bit literary, but in a very informal conversation, yeah, I guess you could, although yeah, escape would be probably much easier. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin eludo, to evade, to elude, with the E meaning X, out of, and ludo, to play, to trick. Okay, so it's out of a trick. It tricks me. I can't quite put my finger on it. Yeah. So were you good at calculus, or did it elude you? Yeah. Maybe something slipped your memory and it just eluded me. You just couldn't remember it. Yeah. Or the mouse is always trying to elude the cat, to shake off a pursuer. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Elude.